I understand that we are all waiting for Imran, so I would now like to invite Imran to address the Oxford Union.
Adnan, thank you very much. I would like to thank the Oxford Union for inviting me here, Pakistan Oxford Society, and especially this, the Pakistani Knowledge Initiative taken by Adnan and his team. As he quite rightly said, knowledge is the basis on which nations are built on, and this is a great initiative because this will enable our best talent pool, which is outside Pakistan, but also have the knowledge capital. We need PhDs, we need professors to come and work in Namal University, which is my passion. My mission is politics, my passion is this university, which I hope will, inshallah, become the Oxford University of Pakistan. The topic today is leadership. Leadership. All of us have the ability to be leaders. Everyone has the potential to become a leader. What makes a leader? The first and foremost is the vision. Leaders have dreams. And those dreams are beyond the self. There has never been a leader whose dream is concentrated on the self. So my great inspiration is the great Iqbal. Iqbal, in my opinion, was probably the greatest Muslim philosopher in the last 500 years.